Go ahead, do the intro.
I'm the bug, and that's Daddy. I'm the bug, and that's Daddy. And we're going to show you all the stuff that we got for the Halloween store. We're going to build a leaf for a contest.
Now, we are avid followers of the Monster Tutorials page. Put a link up here so you can take a look at that. He does a competition, little contests every once in a while. We make different things. The last doll contest was absolutely stellar. Now he's doing a wreath and a mask contest. What we're going to show you right now is all the stuff that we picked up to decorate our wreaths and enter them in the contest.
So we got a chain for the wreath.
Got some chains. Now this is all stuff that we got from the dollar store. After we got home from the dollar store, we turned on YouTube and watched the new Monster Tutorials video, and he had just done the same thing and bought a lot of the same stuff.
He bought the same skeleton hands as us. He bought the same ones as these.
These are just tongs, but they're pretty strong. And I think they're gonna look pretty killer once we corpse them.
Yeah.
Oh.
And we got some cool teeth.
Yeah, these just plain plastic teeth. Again, from the dollar store. There was 12 of them in there.
Oh. And we got another chain.
Yeah, these chains are great. Really realistic looking.
Spiders. Put on the leaf.
Bunch of black spiders. Will go real well with the web blaster we got. I'll show you that in a future video.
Eyeballs.
These just eyeball poppers, but I think these would be really cool.
Eyeball poppers.
I'll show you that later.
Oh. These are the same thing, but they're not poppers.
It's just regular plastic eyeballs. Now we watched the tutorial about making some realistic eyeballs. I think that if we started with these, it would be a little bit easier and quicker.
And we got some bells.
This is just a doorbell hanger. Another little prop we may or may not put on the wreath. Not sure yet. It's a little scarf. It's a little garland type thing for the wreath. We got some branches. Look pretty creepy.
In the other video we had one of these, but we got some more for the wreath.
And it's just some skeleton garland. We've done projects with these in the past. Again, what we got off the Monster Tutorials page. Some more decorations, black roses. Creepy.
And this is just the gummy mold, so you can put gummies in here and make them.
Yeah, I actually thought of our other favorite channel, the King of Random. They do a lot of molds and stuff. So when we saw these, we thought.
And this is glitter. And look at a glitter skeleton head.
Yeah, it's another dollar store thing. It's just a dollar. It's got a movable jaw and everything. It's pretty cool.
And it turns on.
Oh, it does. I didn't even notice.
I think it needs batteries.
Might need batteries. Creepy little skull.
And we got some candles.
A couple tea light candles. Got some ideas to go with these too.
And this is going to be the last thing.
Creepy mirror. There's a bunch of tutorials online about cool things to do with mirrors to make it kind of creepy. And figured we'd try out some of those with this as well. Found these little coffin boxes.
We're going to make one of these skeletons into a fairy, and we're going to put the fairy inside this little coffin box.
Got some other cool stuff. We got some glow-in-the-dark paint.
Those are Bob Ross's. Why'd you even take those?
Let's get some more glue sticks for the hot glue gun. We also got some liquid latex. This stuff is so cool. You can do all kinds of stuff with it. We'll post a link to some of this stuff in the description if you want to grab yourself some. Because after a couple of videos that we're going to post, you're going to see some really cool stuff that you can do with this liquid latex. Bug here got himself this really cool little trinket he wants to share with you.
A squishy ring, and I got it from school from my first grader. She brings me to the bus, and she gave me this eyeball ring, and it lights up too.
Show him. Whoa, that's pretty cool.
It's like Green Lantern.
Only scary.
I can wear this when it's Halloween.
In our next video, we're gonna put some of this stuff to work. It's gonna be a lot of fun. I love doing these arts and crafts type stuff with the Bug. And what do you think, Bug?
Yeah.
Yeah, you excited? Thanks again. You'll notice that some of our videos now are getting a little bit better with the lighting and everything else. We had a subscriber, Barry Burley Photography, who actually hooked us up with some of these studio lights, which was pretty sweet of him. Thank you so much. We'll throw a link in the description if you need a photographer for your next big event, or even just to do some family photos or senior photos or whatever it is that you guys need a photographer for. Man does it.
Three hours later.